Do you know why you snore at night? A blockage in your nose and throat obstructs your breathing and makes your palate vibrate, producing a loud snoring sound. The result? You don't feel rested in the morning and your partner is pissed off. Righteously so. So let's offer a fast-working solution and save the night. Good Niter is a natural throat moisturizer that instantly clears up nasal congestion, which minimizes the volume and loudness of snoring. When applied, Good Niter opens up your nasal passages and helps you breathe effortlessly so you and your partner can enjoy more than 8 hours of silent sleep. Learn how to stop snoring for good at www.goodniter.com.